Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and here we are into the members area of ProfiTORIAL 2.0. And basically what ProfiTORIAL 2.0 is, it's a series of pre-sales pages, and they've structured these pre-sales pages in such a way that they look intriguing. And if you were to post these pages on your social media account, they're intriguing enough to where people are going to click on them, and then they're pre-saled by the page because they look like news articles. If you can see, that looks like a news headline. I'm going to open it up here, and these are completely editable. Got all these different options over here, but anyway, you can use these as pre-sales pages because it looks like a news website. You can change the wording if you want. And anyway, down at the bottom is Get Started Now. That's your affiliate link. So what it does is it intrigues people enough about the article because of the headline. When you share it on social media, they click it, they read it, they get to the bottom, and then they take action. And you got all these different options over here where you can edit these components: layout, media, typography, buttons, forms, pop-ups, image editor, countdown timer, add HTML, which is a great option when you can add the HTML. And then you got layout, elements, inspect, pages, settings, and then code editor. So anyway, that's what they look like. I'm going to go back. And then up here you got the training, and that's the place I recommend that you start. I just wanted to show you basically what they look like and the concept behind it. And it is a rather unique concept. I can see how it might work if you shared this up on your social media account, if it's congruent with your Facebook page or even your profile or your group or whatever. But anyway, you go to training here and you got some different stuff here, but there's a video down here, the full training video, and I am going to play this. It's about 10 minutes long, but it goes through how to set the program up. So if you want to learn how to set the program up, this video shows you how to do that. But this is a place I recommend that you start. So I'm going to go ahead and play that video now.
Hello, welcome to ProfiTORIAL tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ProfiTORIAL site, that is a Nitro Profit engine, in few minutes. All you need to do is to log on to your account. So I'm going to access my account now. Go to ProfiTORIALapp.com and it brings you to the login page. So I'm going to log in here and then enter my password. Okay, so once I log into my account, the next thing you're going to see is the dashboard. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the training section in order to watch all the training videos there. Once you're done, the next thing you need to do is to create your site. Now, these are the sites I've created so far. If you want to create a new site, you click on the new website button. And once you click on the new website button, it's going to bring out the templates that you can use for your website. Now, these are done for you advertorial site templates that you can use to promote any kind of product. You can use it to promote affiliate products, either from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank. You can use it to promote any affiliate products. That aside, you can also use it to promote physical products, which are e-com products like from Amazon.com, from AliExpress, or any e-com site, even Shopify stores. If you have a Shopify stores, you can use ProfiTORIAL to boost your traffic and sales, because ProfiTORIAL allow you to create advertorial sites that you can use to pre-sell products, and this always boosts sales. So now you can use any of the templates or come to categories and select any of the categories you would like to create a website on. So let's say I want to create a website on this, I'm just going to click on it. Then it will ask for a name that you want to use for your website. So just enter the name there. In this case, I can say Beat Invest. Can you see that? You don't need to put .com or put .something there, just the name only. And once you're done, you click on the create button. You can see project has been created. So you'll be redirected to the page builder, where we can actually edit and customize our Untitled Profit Engine site or advertorial sites, as you can see. So now everything on this site is editable. Now I'm going to walk you through all this menu. Now the first one is the layout, where you can add more container to your site. As you can see, you can edit the container on your site here. If you click on the edit button, you'll be able to modify it. You can clone it and you can delete it. That's it. You really don't have a lot of business here. Now we have the next one, which is the elements. This is the one you are going to use most of the time. The element contains everything you need to create and edit this page. In the case of using a done for you template like this, you really won't have to use most of these things. All you just have to do is just to click on the edit. You can see you can edit anything. Can you see that? You can use whatever you want to use. You can change the color. You have to just do is to highlight, then go to, so once you highlight where you want to change the color, you see you can just come to this place and change the color to whatever you want to. You don't need to, as you can see. So you literally can edit anything on this page. You can change the logo. You can change the image as well. Just click on choose image and you're good to go. Okay, so once you're done editing the website, you're done doing everything, the next thing you want to do is to actually publish your website. But let's say you want to add your own content to the site as well. Then you can make use of these elements. On this element section, you can insert a lot of things. If you come to media, you can insert image. All you have to do is just to drag and drop. As you can see, then you choose the image from your computer, or you search using a database that have over 10 million images. So you can do that. Then aside that, you can add responsive video. You can add media objects and so many things. Typography is where you add paragraph, text, and all that stuff. Now you can also add buttons. You can see there are different type of buttons that you can insert to your site. All you have to do is just to drag and drop on anywhere you want it to appear on the site. You can create form as well. You can see using all these form tools. All you just have to do is to drag and drop them. And once you're done editing your site, now for the pop-ups, image editor, countdown timer will only be available for upgrades, users only. So once you're done, the next thing is to save your project. As soon as the project is saved, you can decide to preview your website. If you click on preview, it's going to open your site. Okay, so now if you are faced with this kind of error, all you have to do is just to click on advanced and click on proceed. You only have to do this once and it will never happen again. Okay, so you see your website has been created successfully. So once you're done, this is just one option, which is using our subdomain. As you can see, your website will be beatinvest.profitorialapp.com. Okay, so now you have two other options in which you can use to set up your website. One is having it on our subdomain. Another option is actually publishing this website to your host directly. Let's say you have your own server. All you need to do is just to input your server name here. Let's say this is the name of your website, then the username to the cPanel of your website. Then once you're done with that, you put the password there too. And then if you want it to install on your main domain, just leave this blank. But if you want it to be on a subfolder, so you can put the folder name here. And once you're done, just click on publish. ProfiTORIAL is going to upload this exact site, to your server in one click. You can see how powerful that is. And not just that alone, you can also download the files. Let's say you want to download the files. You just click on the download button. So once you're done, you have the third option, which I'm going to show you. This one, you don't even have to have a server or hosting. You just need a domain name. So you just go to domain, then you click on connect domain. Once you click on connect domain, type in your domain name here, then you click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, it's going to bring out the A records. So you need to log into your domain name registrar, then go to DNS settings or name server settings, create a A record and put in this domain here. Once you're done, just click on the next button. So it's going to check. You can see the domain is missing a record pointing to, you can see that. So until you have successfully done that and you click on the refresh button here, once it's propagated, then you can use your own domain for your website instead of using this. So once you're done, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your website and start getting traffic to your site. And how do you get traffic to your site? Just click on these three dots and click on traffic. So click on traffic, you see you can get traffic from Facebook, Twitter, or via emails. And you have access to over 100 websites where you can get traffic to your site. So all you just have to do is to click on any of the social media sites. Let's use Facebook for example. So you can see your site name and image will appear automatically. Then you can decide where you want to share it to. You want to share it on your news feed or story. You want to share your friends' timeline, group, events, or the page you manage, or also as a private message. So that's just one option to do that. You can get traffic from any of all the sites. So once you start getting traffic to your site, you start getting tons of sales as well. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually monetize your Untitled Profit site. That is your advertorial site. How you can monetize it. As you can see, this template comes with some links which you can hyperlink with your affiliate links, and also add product images to it as well, as you can see on the screenshot. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay, that was the training video on the tutorial section or the training section, and the rest of the videos are down here. A lot of them are on for the upgrades. But anyway, it looks like an intriguing program to me. You can share those on social media, and they look like news headlines. And if they're intriguing enough, people will click on them, and it'll take them to this pre-sales page. And at the bottom, you have get more information, which sends them to your affiliate link. So anyway, up here, you got the training, you got the traffic, you got the done for you products pack. You can get upgrades, support, and then you got a notification bell over here. And here's where you adjust your profile. You can sort these. You can search, status all. You can sort by newest, oldest, A to Z, Z to A. And here's where you create a new website. But anyway, that's ProfiTORIAL 2.0. If it looks like something you might be interested in, you can get access to it and my hand-picked bonuses in a link or button somewhere on this page. You just go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to this and my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.